Dr. K.K. Vista from our classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, our classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on research methodology. This is part 2. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The major use of dash research is explanation of the state of affairs as it exists at present. A. Formulative. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. None. The correct option is C. Descriptive. 2. The objective of dash research is to test hypotheses about cause and effect relationships. A. Formulative. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. None. The correct option is B. Casual. 3. The dash study is always adopted where only little knowledge or information about a problem is available. A. Situational. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. Exploratory. Correct option is D. Exploratory. 4. Exploratory research is a dash study of unfamiliar problem. A. Final. B. Preliminary. C. Casual. D. None. Correct option is B. Preliminary. 5. Dash is a method or technique or an approach of exploring or analyzing the life of a social unit. A. Preliminary study. B. Secondary study. C. Case study. D. Pilot. Correct option is C. Case study. 6. A dash study is a small scale preliminary study conducted before the main research in order to check the feasibility or to improve the design of the research. Options are A. Preliminary. B. Secondary. C. Case. D. Pilot. Correct option is D. Pilot. 7. A dash analysis is a preliminary investigation or informal gathering of background information. A. Situational. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. Exploratory. Correct option is A. Situational. 8. Dash research is mainly concerned with discovery and with generating or building theory. A. Situational. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. Exploratory. Correct option is D. Exploratory. 9. Research helps determine the best research design, data collection method, and selection of subjects. A. Situational. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. Exploratory. Correct option is D. Exploratory. 10. Secondary data analysis is another form of dash research. A. Situational. B. Casual. C. Descriptive. D. Exploratory. Correct option is D. Exploratory. 11. Dash is a preliminary study conducted on a limited scale before the original studies are carried out in order to gain some primary information. A. Case study. B. Pilot study. C. Descriptive study. D. Diagnostic study. Correct option is B. Pilot study. 12. Correctly defining the problem is essential dash step in the business research process. A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Last. Correct option is A. First. 13. Dash is a tentative explanation for an observation phenomenon or a scientific problem that can be tested by further investigation. A. Theory. B. Concept. C. Construct. D. Hypothesis. Correct option is D. Hypothesis. 14. Plan of study for a researcher is called the dash. A. Research design. B. Research method. C. Research procedure. D. Research problem. Correct option is A. Research design. 15. If one variable depends upon another variable is termed as dash variable. A. Independent. B. Dependent. C. Extraneous. D. None. Correct option is B. Dependent. 16. Dash research seeks to find cause and effect relationships between variables. A. Descriptive. B. Explorative. C. Casual. D. None. Correct option is C. Casual. 17. These are the variables that may have some effects upon a dependent variable but yet are not independent variables. A. Dependent variables. B. Independent variables. C. Extraneous variables. Or D. None. Correct option is C. Extraneous variables. 18. The survey is a non-experimental dash research method. A. Descriptive. B. Non-descriptive. C. Casual. D. None. Correct option is A. Descriptive. 19. Dash surveys gather data over a period of time. A. Cross-sectional. B. Longitudinal. C. Sample. D. None. Correct option is B. Longitudinal. 20. Dash often is used to measure causality. A. Experiment. B. Survey. C. Research design. D. None. The correct option is A. Experiment. 21. Dash data can be obtained by communication or by observation. A. Secondary. B. Primary. C. Sample. D. None. The correct option is B. Primary. 20. Or dash design is a definite plan for obtaining a sample from a given population. A. Research. B. Sample. C. Population. D. None. The correct option is B. Sample. 23. Probability sampling is also known as dash sampling. A. Chance. B. Non-random. C. Restricted. D. None. Correct option is A. Chance. 24. Under dash sampling method, the population or universe is divided into a number of clusters or large groups. A. Restricted. B. Random group. C. Cluster. D. None. The correct option is C. Cluster. 25. Research dash is the blueprint for the study. A. Variable. B. Problem. C. Design. D. None. The correct option is C. Design. 26. If the independent variable is not manipulated, it's called dash hypothesis testing research. A. Non-experimental. B. Experimental. C. Working. D. None. Correct option is A. Non-experimental. 27. Thus, studies thus deal with testing of proposition or hypothesis. A. Descriptive. B. Analytical. C. Causal. D. None. Correct option is A. Descriptive. 28. Thus, research seeks to find cause and effect relationships between variables. A. Causal. B. Descriptive. C. Analytical. D. None. Correct option is A. Causal. 29. The survey is a dash descriptive research method. A. Experimental. B. Non-experimental. C. Both A and B or D. None. Correct option is B. Non-experimental. Third, the surveys are used to gather information on a population at a single point in time. A. Cross-sectional. B. Historical. C. Longitudinal. D. None. The correct option is A. Cross-sectional. So this was this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needing now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.